so I can make ice cream the same way I just made the slushie. Gotta do this now. So Johnny's on a keto diet. It's really hard to find ice cream for him that's not vanilla, so I'm gonna make one for him right now and hope it works. I'm gonna try vanilla coffee ice cream. I used a shot of espresso, a tablespoon of monk fruit sweetener, half a teaspoon of vanilla extract, 1 cup of heavy whipped cream, and I'm just gonna chill it in the fridge for about 10 minutes just to cool down the espresso. I'm just reusing the bags from my slushie, espresso. In the bigger bag we put ice, salt in the ice to make it colder, put the small bag in the big bag, and then we're gonna shake for 10 minutes, I don't know. Let's check.
Have you ever tried making a chicken and veggie one-pan meal? Let me show you how I made this.
You're gonna start by cutting your veggies. I use zucchini and bell peppers. Place parchment paper on your pan. I'm using chicken breast, but you can use thighs. I seasoned with onion powder, garlic powder, crushed peppers, lemon pepper. Now just season your veggies separately with a little salt and pepper. Toss your veggies with a little oil. Place your chicken back onto your sheet, and you're gonna bake at 400 degrees for 25 minutes. Take a look at this deliciousness. One-pan meals are seriously everything. Follow me at Low Carb Love.